Pay attention to what we're doing. Blanch the pumpkin vine in boiling water, then add a spoonful of water, salt, and a little more oil. When it's done, it'll be like a pumpkin patch you've never seen before. The best tasting and simplest. A new way to eat it. Simple to make, just look at. You can learn it easily after just one try. The salt and oil we're adding mainly help preserve the color of the sweet and sour sauce. The blue vine is emerald green, not yellow, and it's especially beautiful, isn't it? However, the heat shouldn't be too long. Let's heat it for about 30 seconds. Hey, after you've cooked it, remember to take it out of the water, and once you've taken it out, please remember this. You must go through it with him. Why cold water? Because the pumpkin vine has risen high and is hot. If you squeeze out cold water, that way you can keep it a vibrant green and prevent it from turning yellow. Look at this color, and it a very, very green, and especially beautiful. Right? Come on, this is us. They dipped it in melon syrup and squeezed out the moisture. Oh dear, this ground is so dry. It seems like we all like to eat pumpkin at home, right? But this pumpkin vine is probably something many people have never seen before. Many people, especially, have never tried it, right? This is a little pumpkin over here. Is this tender? It's edible too. Chop it into smaller pieces. Look at those tiny, broken specks of foam. Check if the color is after the perm. It's still crispy and not turning yellow, right? Today, I'll use this pumpkin vine, which many people haven't seen before, to make you. I've never seen this new way of eating before. If you like it, you can save this recipe and give it a try. First, let's take the first step. Let's open it up. First, let's crack the eggs. There was an egg inside. One egg. When cracking eggs, remember not to tap them on the surface of the bowl. Just, the eggshell fell in. What was it cut out of? It's unhygienic to talk like that, right? Like me. So, just tap the flat area once like that. Isn't it incredibly smooth? Just a gentle flick of the thumb and forefinger, and it comes right out. Great. 7 eggs should be enough for us, right? Let's start seasoning. How should we season it? Let's put a little salt in our bowl. Let's have less pepper lately, me a little more. If you want to remove the fishy smell from eggs, you should use Shaoxing wine. Give me a little bit and add some Shaoxing wine. It's especially good at removing fishy smells. Then we'll stir it well and break it up like this. This not only allows the flavors to penetrate better, but also, the eggs don't have a fishy smell, bro. You've already updated 2 without me even realizing it. I have over 100 delicious home-style dishes, if you knew mine. See? If this video has helped your cooking skills even a little bit, please give it a thumbs up here. Please follow me and support me, okay? My brother is here to thank everyone. Thank you so much. Come on, let's stir it. Stir it vigorously. Make sure to stir the eggs thoroughly. Stir until it's bubbling vigorously. Good timing. That's all we need. Pour it in this. Pour the pumpkin inside. You should think about this when putting it in the soup. The pancake looks and tastes good. This carrot and scallion are nice too. Applying a little bit twice will enhance the fragrance. Have some more of this. Hey, shrimp. Here's the key. Add a spoonful of flour. 1.5 spoonfuls, right? The pancakes will taste even better if you do it this way. That's it. Stir it and mix it well. This pumpkin. Let's mix the vine and the flour together thoroughly. Pumpkin pancakes made this way are both delicious and beautiful. The color is so beautiful. Let's adjust this paste to what state and take a look. Adjust it down to the sticky, viscous consistency, and that should be fine. The next key point is, if the pancakes you make at home are always. That's because you haven't found the right method. Look carefully at this. Don't give me that pot. Heat the oil and pour it in directly. After pouring, you don't need to use the pot. Burn it. Come on. Now, after mixing the batter well, pour it directly into the pan. Hey, if you heat the oil directly, if you pour this batter, we're right next to them. It immediately took shape. The pancake made this way isn't round, you know. Is it right? Spread it out a little like this, you see? Doesn't this pancake look perfectly round? Pretty, right? Now, it's turn the heat down to medium-low. Now remember this, the fire can't get too big, or you'll get a fire. If the pancake is large, it's easy for the outside to burn while the inside is still uncooked. It was this process that I remembered this fire. It's fixed, so when we connect, you must remember this. Hey, I need to draw it for him so that the middle is blurry and the sides are not. I want the color of my hands to be more even, because I have a rather strong palette. So what I did, when making pancakes, use a little oil. Put more, if you don't like oily food. You can just use less oil at home. But then, the crucial point arises again. Oh dear, many women at home get a headache just flipping the pot at this time of year. Let me teach you a simple and convenient method. First, let's prepare a pot lid. After you've finished attaching it, remember to put the fire first. Turn it off for him. After we close it, let's flip it over. Oh my God, isn't it beautiful? This flip. It's a pot, right? It's not easy for him to get burned, right? You see, you encountered this here. Slowly put it inside, peel off the inside, and then fry it. Okay, let me open it. Use the same method to turn it onto medium-low heat. The flame can't be too high. I'll fry it again using my method. Okay, let's save face. Look, everyone's witnessed me like this. Oh, when I entered the yellow zone. Oh, that's when we. Now turn off the heat. Okay, we're done cooking. Goodness, isn't the color especially beautiful? Okay, that's what I meant. Come on. Let's modify the knife for him, okay? Hey, give him chopsticks of uniform size. Think about what to eat. Whatever shape it is, we'll give it that shape. Now, take a look at this pancake and see if the color is particularly beautiful. Bright ice, green ice. Green, and then what? We have a bunch of fresh flowers. You'll have to sell at least 20 more yuan worth of these little cakes. How beautiful is the color? If it were a perfect flower, how many points would you give it? Now try it. How does it taste? I can't even bring myself to eat it. Beautiful. No, the color is golden yellow, right? Look inside. Yes, they are. One word. Absolutely amazing. 2 words. Delicious.